Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful gathered skirt with elastic waistband. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and support this channel by subscribing, by watching our videos, and by also liking, commenting and sharing this video. Okay, let's get to work. So we're going to be using this net fabric. You have already seen the outcome of the dress. So this is the net fabric we're going to be using. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and fold it. This is about 3 yards. I folded it into 4, and then I do not want to bend the border, so I want the border to be like this because it looks very beautiful. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and measure our full length. Our full length is 40, so I'm going to minus our waistband. So I'm going to go ahead and mark 40 inches, and then I will go ahead and cut it. And then after I'm done, this is how you're going to gather your skirt. You're going to take it to your sewing machine, and then you're going to go ahead and run a loose stitch, which you're going to use it to gather your skirt, just as seen in this video. So guys, this is what it looks like after I'm done gathering my skirt. So I'm going to be using this lining. This is cotton lining. I'm going to be using this lining for my fabric. This is the color I could get in the market. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and mark 16 inches, and then I'm going to go ahead and take it to my sewing machine and gather it just as we did on the men's skirt. Are you guys following? So this is the outcome of our lining. And then the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and place it under our main fabric. I'm going to go ahead and stitch it down just as seen in this video, because I put it under because it is the lining of this dress. So guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to stitch it down. So this is what it looks like. So right about now, I'm going to go ahead and measure the waist of this skirt. So I'm going to use the measurement to cut my band. I'm going to add about 2 extra inches just for any 40, so that we can adjust from there. So this is it. I added the lining fabric because this fabric is a net fabric, so I added it to the waistband, and then it's going to be under. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch it down. Then I'm going to leave like 1 inch opening, which I'm going to be using it to pass my elastic waistband. So to cut your elastic waistband, you're going to measure your waist measurement, and then you're going to minus about 5 inches, and then you're going to go ahead and cut your band for this. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the dress, and then I will stitch down the side, and then I will bring it back to show you guys. So guys, this is it. As you can see, in a very few minutes I was able to finish this skirt. I think this is the most simplest skirt you can ever make. Okay, thank you for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and bye. See you in my next video. I love you guys.